FunXies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a very cute paper doll at home. So over here, I'll just take this white paper and I'll make a coiling out of it. And as you can see, this is the shape I'm getting. Now I'll take another piece and make the coiling same again over here as well and stick it from the sides. So once I get these two shapes over here, as you can see, I'll take some newspaper. I'll take some tissue paper over here and then I'll just insert it inside. So once these are done, now I'll take another piece of card paper and I'll cut it from the middle. And then I'll insert this inside over here as well. It's for the base. So now after folding these, this is how they look. Now I'll take some white paper and crush it over here to start making the face, and over here the head is gonna be really big, so that's I'm gonna do over here. And then I'll put some clear tape and secure it in its place. Then I'll just cut some white paper over here and then put it on top of this for a smooth surface for the face. So once this is done, the face is ready, I'll just put some glue over here. And then I'll put some tissue paper. And then some nose as well out of tissue paper only. And the ears as well. So now I'll start making this coiling out of white card paper again and put some hands over here and then put some glue. So after I'm getting this done, I'll just put another piece on top of it to make a thick coiling. So once that is done, as you can see, I'll make another piece of paper and I'll just fold it and fold on top of this. And then I'll put some paper over here and here as well, just to give that shape of the body, and then stick on top of this piece. Then put the head as well and then the legs. The hands as well. Now I'll just take some cardboard cutout for the hands and stick them over here on the ends. Now let's start painting the face and the body with acrylic paints. You can use fabric paints instead. Now let's make the facial expressions too. Okay guys, so once it's done, now let's start making her dress. So again, I'm going for this sea green kind of silk fabric over here. I know the camera is showing it in a blue color, but it's not, it's sea green. And I'll make a cute dress out of it. So first of all, I'll just cut the neckline over here. After sticking it to the body, I'll take the same fabric and make some ruffles out of it. So I'll tie a knot and secure it in its place. Now I'll just stick it over here on the side of the dress. Now as you can see, the dress cutting is slant a little bit. So let's keep it that way and make it fancy. So for that, over here I'm just using some chains for the strap of the dress, and trust me, it's gonna look really fancy and cute as well. Then on the belt as well, I'll put this strip of gems, and then a very big and cute golden kind of flower over here. Then I'll take another flower and cut it into half, as you can see these two, and then stick them like this. Now I'll just stick it over here on the ears and make a cute earring out of it, and then some bracelets for the gem stripes as well. Now I'll take this cutout over here out of card paper. And let's make the shoes for the doll. And over here I'm gonna make black shoes. So I'm taking black foam sheet over here and then some cardboard. Cut the edges and secure it in its place. Put some golden bow, and that's it. Paint the inside part white. Now let's stick it to the feet of the doll and stick it like this. Then I'll take another foam sheet stripe, and then I'll go all the way up and tie it around. Then I'll just take some white acrylic paints and put it on the doll dress, just some white polka dots. Then I just put some necklace as well, and again over here I'm using gem strips. I'll just put a lot of it and make a choker style necklace. Then let's start making the hairs. So for that I'm going dark brown wool and taking it onto a cardboard and just rolling it again and again and tying out with the same wool. Then I'll cut one side of it and make these strands. Now I'll just secure this end with the wool and then tie a knot. So I'll do the same thing on the other one as well, other side. So now I'll just put it on top of the head and stick it. And then this will be the ponytail, and over here I'm going for this style with a side ponytail. And then I'll just tuck out some stripes and some strands for the hairs. Then this is a golden card paper, and I'll be making this kind of headband with the same flower. So now as you can see, my doll is ready, guys. She looks very cute. If you guys like this video, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye. 'Cause now